At the Shiloh Farm, they grow flowers, fruits, and vegetables, raise chickens, sheep, and a bunch of other animals. But none of this pays the bills for Noah Young and family. This is the moneymaker.
Here's 5 things that should never be planted together. Cauliflower and cucumbers are both heavy feeders, so if you plant them together, they're gonna be fighting over nutrients like 2 toddlers over a juice box. So by planting them together, you're basically creating a fungal free-for-all.
Millions of people follow the Shiloh Farm on social media for funny, educational videos about Noah's farming journey.
Little bite. It's like our family tradition. First strawberry of the year, we always share it. Otherwise, we fight over it.
This started in 2020 when Noah and his wife Sierra decided to turn their small 5-acre hobby farm into the foundation for what you might call a marketing business.
Just like companies are willing to spend millions of dollars on a Super Bowl commercial to reach millions of eyes, they can do the same thing by coming to an influencer like myself who reaches millions of people every month, and we get paid by brands and companies to create advertising products for them. What state are y'all from?
Kentucky.
What is your #1 ag commodity?
Soybeans. We sold $1.4 billion worth of soybeans last year.
Noah also gets paid to be an influencer at events, plus gets income from the platforms he posts on, depending on the amount of traffic for each video.
There's drama in the garden? Oh yeah.
This video about things not to plant together, 778,000 views on TikTok and 438,000 on YouTube in just a week.
You ever wonder how
23 million people saw a video he posted a while ago about seedless watermelons.
And this odd set of chromosomes will result in the fruit being sterile and not producing any seed. Perfect. And cut. Somebody will stop me at a grocery store and they'll be like, oh my gosh, I love your videos. Oh yeah, there's drama.
Yeah, it's kind of awkward sometimes when people are like, oh, you guys are big shots, where really this is just everyday life for us.
Ooh, looks great.
For Noah, Sierra, and their 4 kids, who are also very involved in the operation.
Perfect.
What do you think of your dad's videos?
I like them. I like them.
The roots are all soggy and the plant's like, I don't know how to swim.
Is he silly sometimes?
Yeah.
It's a business making choices about what to raise based on what's good for content creation.
Yep, go ahead and put it in.
But they also consume and sell their product. Just as important, it allows the Young family to spend time and create something together, including content Noah hopes is a positive thing for the millions who follow his adventures.
I want them to feel upbeat and feel like it was worth their time to watch my video and that they actually walked away from that either laughing, feeling better, or learning something.